Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Princess Ray and I am back again. I'm not actually gonna do a get ready with me video today. I'm actually gonna be revamping an old wig and I'm gonna cut it into a bang style. So this is the wig we're gonna be doing today, cutting today. I've actually recently dyed it. No, I dyed it quite a while ago. Yeah, I dyed it and yeah, it's just an old wig and it's dying now. So I said, let me just try something new. So this is going to be a tutorial on just how to cut a simple banged hairstyle and I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay guys, so this is where I just make sure that the wig is nice and snug on my head. So you can see I'm just placing it, making sure it's nice and comfortable and fitted. So guys, this is going to be a very detailed video as my memory card actually stopped filming, which is so annoying. So some bits actually were done off camera because I thought I was filming but I wasn't. So yes, as you can see guys, I've gone ahead to make sure this is nice and snug, and what I have done is I've gone ahead to part the fringe. Now what I have done is I've used my little finger as guidance. So my little finger is about 6 inches. So I've parted the fringe 6 inches going up, 7 inches going across, and then another 6 inches going down. Sorry, I said inches, that's centimeters, my bad guys. So as you can see now, as I've got it, before I cut it, it was long. So what I've used as guidance is the dip in the middle of my nose. So this is the dip which would be in between your eyes. And what I've done is I've snipped it and I've gone ahead to part that in two. And also, if you can see as my head is bending, you can see that the parting is a bit bright. What I've gone ahead to do is just go ahead and add some powder, which makes it more natural, gives it more of a natural tone. So yep, I'm just going ahead and I'm snipping, snip, and I'm straightening it. I'm also just snipping it. For me, I use my lash bed, my eyelash, just on top of my eyelash bed as guidance. This is where it's comfortable for me. And yeah, it just depends on you as a person, the length that you want it to be, and you know, whatnot. So yep, I'm just going ahead, I'm snipping, and yes, I didn't want too much of a full fringe. That's not really me. So yeah, you guys can see it's not too full, but it's just the right, you know, density, I would say. So yep, this is me. Sorry, I'm looking for a song to play. But as you can see, I've gone ahead and I've taken out the second bit that I've parted. And what I'm going to do now is basically split it into two and start straightening it. So yeah, just gotta comb that out first. And yeah, just trying to level everything out. It's not going to be the same as the first batch I cut, as I had split in two. So I'm just trying to go ahead and use that first cut that I had done as guidance and match it up. So as you can see, I'm just snipping away here. Yep. Snip. Yes, I'm kind of feeling this. This is giving me stripper vibes, honey. Yes. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this bit. But yes, you get the gist of what I'm doing. So as you guys can see, I'm just going in with my straighteners and I'm going to just straighten out the hair, you know, in parts. I just part it and I go ahead and straighten it, making sure that the hair is all leveled, looking all nice and cute. Hey, you know, yeah, sorry, don't mind me. I just got a lot of hair in my face and it's so annoying because I had a full face of makeup on. So, you know, trying to get all these little bits out. And yes, so guys, as you can see, everything is starting to come together nicely and looking all leveled. I'm just doing the last finishing touches, a little bit of snip, 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 snippety, snip, snip. And yes, I am really loving this brown highlighted full fringe revamp wig. It's really giving me vibes, guys. But yes, guys, let me know what you think about this look. I'm really loving it, child. But yeah, just giving my hair a little bit of a brush. And yeah, this is basically the finished look, guys. Thoughts? So I've literally gone out of my way, and I just really wanted you guys to see what this hair looked like with me standing up. So yes, honey, I've also gone ahead to go and attach all my social media, where you guys could find me on Instagram and Snapchat just below. It should appear now. Abracadabra. Yes, guys, if you like this look, thumbs up. And if you didn't, you know, I'm always welcome to constructive criticism. Thank you, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.